How to change email ID in Facebook account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your email ID in your Facebook account. First, go to the Facebook on your web browser. Once logged in, click on your profile shown at the top right corner. Next, select the settings and privacy and reach the settings. On the left side, click on See More in the Accounting Center. Now select the Personal Details option shown on the left side. In the account info, you will find your email address and phone number. Following that, click on Add New Contact and select Add Email. Next, enter your email address and tick Facebook. In the end, hit the Next button and enter the confirmation code sent to your email. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.